Once upon a time, there was a little child who faced many challenges. Sometimes the sky was dark and stormy, the clouds were heavy, and the rain poured down. Everything seemed so difficult. One day, the child wanted to learn how to ride a bike. They tried and tried, but kept falling down. Their knees were scraped, and tears filled their eyes. It felt so hard. But then, something beautiful happened. A friend came to help. Together they practiced, and soon the child was riding. The wind blew through their hair, and they laughed with joy. After the hardship came ease. Another time, the child got lost in a dark forest. The trees were tall, and the shadows were scary. They felt alone and afraid. Everything seemed impossible. But as they kept walking, the sun began to rise. Golden light broke through the trees. Birds started singing their morning songs. The path became clear, and the child found their way home. After the hardship came ease. Back home, the child ran into their family's warm embrace. And look, a beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky after the rain. The child smiled, knowing that no matter how hard things seem, ease will always come. Remember, dear children, Allah tells us in the Quran, "For indeed with hardship will be ease." Indeed with hardship will be ease. From Surah Ash-Sharh, verses 5 and 6. So whenever you face something difficult, remember, ease is coming, just like the sun always comes after the storm.